Hey, it's Mike Sweeney with SweeneyMarketingGroup.com, and in today's video we're going to talk about video marketing for your business. Are you doing it? If not, why not? I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you should be, what it can do for your business, and we're going to jump into that right after I'm asking you to click the subscribe button below so that you can get updated on future videos regarding your home business, your network marketing business, online marketing, whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish with your business online. Keep coming back for more information. Would appreciate it. Let's talk about video marketing for your business. 7 things. Number 1, video marketing is a great way to brand you, your business is branding you. People get to know you, people get to see you, people get to interact with you through video marketing. So it's a very, very good way to get your brand, to get you out there in the front of the people that you want to do business with, people that you want for customers, people that you want for clients, prospecting, generating leads. It's just a great way to grow your business online. So start doing videos. Number 2, videos will boost your conversions and they will boost your sales. Again, it is a way for people to recognize you, to become more familiar with you. They can see you as a person, you as someone that they will become to trust and get to know. So that's number 2, is boosting conversions and sales. Number 3, mentioned it just a minute ago, it boosts trust. Video is a great way to get yourself out in front of people. It's a great way to get your message out in a media that is other than written text or advertising, black and white. It puts a little bit more color, a little bit more color, a little bit more personality into your message, and people will identify with you. So again, it is a very good way to build trust with the people that you're trying to build business with. Point number 4, great ROI for your business. Whether you're having to pay to purchase a software to help create your videos or edit your videos, whether you're paying someone to create the videos for you, edit them, um, the return on your investment in doing video marketing is going to be at a higher level than it would be if you were, just paying someone to create an ad for you, create some ad copy, create email marketing for you. Um, Video is there to stay. I mean, it's once you have a video up, it's repeated. Customers come back, not just returning customers. New customers are finding your videos, and it is think of commercials, on television. Um, how much would it cost you to run a commercial on television versus running a video online? Um, the return on investment there alone is staggering. So start doing video marketing in your business. Um, Point number, what was it? I'm up to point number 5. This is number 5. Google, Facebook love videos. Um, People engage in it. People share it. People um, just like being in the entertain. They like to be entertained. And video is a great way to do it. And not that you have to be funny and entertaining in all your videos, but it's you can get your messages across in different tonalities and different um, just speaking mannerisms to help people associate you, the business, you as the business. So let's jump to point number 6, and that is mobile views. Everyone's everyone's got phones these days. I shouldn't say everyone, but a very high majority of the population has a phone. And what do people do on their phones? They do a lot of searching, they do a lot of Googling, and we just mentioned Google loves video, Facebook loves video. People are on their phones all the time. And video is very popular among mobile users. So once you get your branding out there, once you get your messaging out there, mobile is where you're going to find a lot of your traffic coming from using video marketing. And the last point, point number 7, I touched on this briefly, just 2 points prior to this, is the social engagement, where there's sharing, there's liking, there's people will use videos on their blogs, they will post videos on their Facebook profiles, their Facebook groups, their Facebook fan pages. So video marketing it can go viral. Obviously, if you see it in a lot of the entertaining, the funny videos, but you can also get videos that have very touching points that people relate to, um, whether it's humor, whether it is just more of a social issue, if it's more of a pet related, people love their pets. So whatever you can incorporate into your video, and maybe your business revolves around some of those things. And surely if it does, you want to put some entertaining videos out there, put some things that people just find as, the lovable things. Video marketing is you just got to start doing it in your business. I'm going to go through the 7 steps one more time. Branding is number 1. Boosting conversions and sales, number 2. Number 3, build trust. People get to know you. Number 4, great ROI. Number 5, Google, Facebook love videos. Number 6, mobile views. Think about your mobile phone. People love watching video on mobile. And number 7, the social engagement that you get from your videos will do a lot for your business. Start making videos, start getting them out on your business, and you will start seeing some results with them. Hope you found them helpful. Share and like the video if you did. And don't forget, subscribe below, and we'll be back with some more videos for your business, for your online marketing. Stay in touch. Have a good evening.